In this video, I am going to show you how to deposit on the Bitget app. 1. Open the Bitget app on your device and log into your account. Once logged in, locate and tap the Add Funds option on the main page. Then select Deposit Crypto. Under the Crypto tab, select the type of coin you wish to deposit. Ensure you choose the correct chain like ERC20, TRC20, BEP2 or BEP20 that matches one of the used by platforms or wallet form which you are withdrawing your crypto. After selecting your preferred token and chain, Bitget will generate a deposit address along with a QR code. You can use either option to initiate the deposit. From the external wallet or third-party account, initiate the withdrawal process. Enter the generated deposit address or scan the QR code. Double-check all details including the deposit address before confirming the withdrawal from your external wallet or third party. And when it's done, just proceed with the withdrawal to complete the deposit process. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.